Hello, let's look at Titan today, please. Please note that this is for educational purposes only and for discussion. This is not investment advice. Please read the disclaimer in the description box. Now, looking at Titan, if you look at this stock, I mean, it's a very powerful stock. It's a constant bull market stock for a significant amount of time. Sorry, um, it's been on uptick from a very long time. I remember trading on this way back in 2006 as well, investing as well. It's a fantastic stock actually. Starting way back at 3740 rupees to now where it's at 3200 and touched a peak of 3800 almost. It's quite a significant move for this stock. Now, if you don't go back that much because you don't really need to, if you look at the stock, just the monthly candles for now, we got a small dip here in 2020, another dip here in 2022, a correction end of 2022, 2023, and then again now we are seeing a correction happening. Now the correction that's happening now is actually quite significant and clear because what the stock's done is very nicely in December of 23, it indicated a key level where a correction is going to take place, right? And that key level was indicated by this particular candle here on the November 21st or 23, November to December. This is what it did. This and this candle. This is on 30th of November. And it formed these specific levels, 3422 specifically. That's a very important level. And also going forward, what it did is in the medium term, it indicated a top right here. Now this top was indicated multiple times at 3779, and then we saw it break 3716 and then further 3555. These are all confirmations of this top formation, and the medium term is in this dotted line. The longer term resistances and supports are here in these blue lines, and of course the stronger supports that broke and indicated a bear market for this for a while are these levels 3357 in red and 3422 in red as well. What Titan's actually doing is since December indicating a peak, what it's done is after this range it has indicated that it's reached top. Now for profit booking you cannot expect to book at 3700 or 3800. It would always be the recessive prices where you'll see receding and a clear indication of a bear trend. That's when you would get out of the stock. So you were looking at breaking this bottom. That was one of the most important things, right? In the medium term, you could exit over here, somewhere here, or somewhere here, which is the last minute candle. But ideally speaking, you would exit at the bottom of this, right? Where you've seen a clear break from that trend. So that was a low of 3257, a close of 3280. So you'd exit somewhere around here. Now, what's happening with Titan today? Today, Titan's looking at more price correction in general. So July 2024, the downtrend is intact, and this is going to be on for a while. The levels that it's going to test repeatedly to try and gain back would be these three: the blue bottom here and these two, 3357, 3422, and 3555. And we might actually see lower levels as well. A strong stock like this, given how much it's risen, can take up a sideways zone for a little while, or it can continue going down and having a good price correction, right? Either is possible, but the main thing here is definitely it is in a downtrend. It's very clearly visible. There's a good correction happening. It might be a stock worth buying as well on dips, but not yet. That's what I would say. If you want to just look at projections, right? One of the easiest thing to project is a GAN fan. So you can use one of these and look at where supports lie. And they map out to these levels that we're seeing. There's going to be a break from it. So it's going to keep forming these levels, again forming them, and then dipping below that as well. So what's going to happen is in July, what I feel is in July and August, it might just go sideways to downwards. If it goes sideways, it'll stay between these levels. It'll keep testing these levels that I spoke of and then taper off a little. If it decides to go down, the levels to watch are quite different. Um, you might want to look at these, which are which is the Gann fan. Sorry, the one before that was the Fibonacci fan, and this would be around the range of 3000. It'll definitely make it there because it's already tried to test it. Touched a low of 3055. Definitely looks like it's going to go to 3000, and then maybe even slightly lower than that. Now, if you want to look at a 50% trend, which is a good trend to look at a lot of the times, it's already there, right? So anything below 3100 on a good weekly close is something that indicates weakness in the stock, and it might see more profit booking coming in. It might slip a little further, but a brilliant stock to look at. I've always been interested in Titan, and it'll still stay as a as an opportunity for me, given the right levels. And if once this stock tends to indicate bottoming, I will definitely look at getting into it again. Currently, it's not indicating bottoming. It has indicated a top very clearly headed down. It might go towards the moving averages that you see here, 3050, much lower as well. Anything is possible currently. If it breaks that, I would definitely say that it's on a much stronger downtrend. But yeah, 3100, 3050, 3000, that little range, 100 points, might be very crucial for Titan here on. And these are the resistance levels that you're seeing on top there. Thank you for watching.